Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in a Android learning series, we are going to make a app in which we are converting any website into app. Any website which you have, you can convert that website into app. For that, what we have to take? First of all, we have to take a web view. So take this web view, drag and drop here, and we can use the constraint layout parameter to fix this on a screen. So now we can fix the width to 0 and top and bottom also to 0, means we want the whole screen should be covered by this web view. We can give the name also my web view. Okay, this is the name of the web view. And we can also give the parameter match parent. Match constant is coming here, match constant, match parent, here also match constants. So like this we can give full width to this particular screen, total full. Then go to main activity. Here we have to make a coding of this. First of all, we have to create a web view object. My web view equal to object, then link with the my web view equal to find view by id r dot id dot my web view. We are linking with the object. Now here what we have to do, we have to set the URL, my web view dot load URL, and we have to pass the URL here. So URL, what we have to pass URL, I'm just passing the website that is already open, the www.w3c school. Everybody know this website. So this website I am passing here to make a app. So I'm passing here. So when I will run this website, it will open in my mobile application. So like this, but there is some problem here right now. I will show you later. I will show you one by one, because when we run directly like this, so it go out of the frame and it does not use the JavaScript also. So one by one I will explain each and everything. So first of all, if I give this, so it will also convert into Android app, but it having some drawback. So what is the drawback? I will show you. Now you see this app will run, but it having some drawback right now. One by one we will solve all the drawbacks. So when we run this, so it is saying site is not opening right now, because I'm not asking a internet permission also. So I have to give the internet permission. First of all, this one problem is that we do not having a internet permission. So we have to go in manifesto file and we have to give here the internet permission. First of all, use permission name is internet. So I have to give internet permission first of all. So you see I have given the internet permission in a manifesto file, and after that we have given the URL. So I have removed the slash also, it was a slash like this, so I have removed the slash also. So after this URL should be right. So when I run this application once again, so it will run, because one problem was we have not given the permission to our app. So now we have given the permission. If you see, your application is running, but problem is when I click on this, because JavaScript is not enabled on this, when I click on this, it is not responding. You see, it's not responding because JavaScript is not enabled, and it will run the application in different browser also. You see, it running the application in out of the application going on browser. Okay, my app is this, but this app, when I click on this app, it going outside the app and it going to the browser. It asking for the browser, so it's not enable. You see, menu is not enabled because JavaScript is not enabled. So there is a problem. So how we can solve this problem? So first of all, we have to give the JavaScript enable my web view dot get setting dot set JavaScript enable. So this enable should be true. So we have to give the JavaScript permission. Okay, first thing. So now if I run once again, you will see the improvement, but it is also not complete app. It running once again. You see, when I click on this, it is running. See, now option is coming. Why? Because I have enabled the JavaScript. So after enabling JavaScript is responding, but when I click on this, it is still go outside the app. It will ask for browser. Why? Because I am not handling the event of this website. I want this website should be run under this app, does not go outside the app. So for that, what we have to do, we have to do the client event handling. This is all links should be open within an app, not outside the app. So for that, dot web client get web client set. We have to set the web client. Set web client. Okay, and here we have to pass new web client. So we are passing the inbuilt class. You can create your own class also for handling this event, but here I am passing an inbuilt class web view client. So now if I run it once again, now all the link will be open within this app, not outside the app, but still having a one drawback. I will show you what is the drawback, last drawback. So if I run once again, now all the link will be open under this app. You see, everything is running perfect. HTML, okay, CSS. I click on CSS also. It is because internet connection is slow, but coming CSS also. You see, coming HTML also. You see, each and everything is coming under this. Coming or not? You see, everything is coming under this. What is this? This is the website and running as a app. But one problem is that when I click on back button, so it will go outside and close. So this app is working, but it is not behaving on a back. You see, once again, when I run this and I go inside the app, this, and I want to go on home by clicking a back button, so it will close the application. It's not behaving like a app. So we have to solve this back button problem also. For that, we have to override a method on on back pressed button. Okay, so we are overriding this button, and here we have to make a code. What we have to code? If the web view can go back, means if there is a option to go back, then web view should go back. Okay, else if web view cannot go back, you see, if it cannot go back means else option. See, so if it can go back, then go back in the app, otherwise close the application on go back. Means when I press the back button in my mobile, if I am suffering a website, it will behave back button on website, means just we go back on the website. So we can go back inside a website. But if it is a home page, then it will close the application. You see, right now, now this is the output. Now if I click on this and I go inside this website one by one, it's showing the next. But if I click on back button, so it will go previously first of all, like this. It's not going outside. But if it is a home page, then it will close. See? So if I go inside the website once again, JavaScript, then again next, then again next. So when I press back button, one by one it will go back. See? And when I click, this is a home page. When I click on last button, then it will close the application. So now it is running perfectly. All the back button event is also running, and we have also run this. So this is the app in which I am opening this website, W3C school. Like this, you can open any website which you want. Just replace your website on the location of the URL here. Or if you have your own source code, sometimes we don't want to use other website, but we want over website, over source code. So we can also do, for example, if you want to do that, what we have to do, we have to right click on this and we have to click on the folder here and create a assets folder. So here we have to create assets folder and click on finish. So here we will have a assets folder right now. This is the assets folder. Okay. So in this assets folder, we have to put my coding, what coding I want. For example, if I want a HTML file, for example, I give you notepad plus plus, or I can show you inbuilt also. I have inbuilt files. I will show you inbuilt also. I'll show you inbuilt website and inbuilt pages. For example, I have some web page. I have some web page in my Kotlin series. So I copy one file from here. For example, structure dot html. I said Kotlin, interface in Kotlin. Copy this and I paste this file under this. Maybe your home page. Maybe this is your home page. So name of this is index.html and click OK. So if you see this file is inside this and it's having a source code also. So here I can replace my source code. Here I can replace my source code like file 3 times slash slash then Android underscore assets then file name index.html. If I run this, save and run, save and run, you see this the output once again. So this output will goes here and in place of W3C now we have my own web page. So this is only single web page, but if you have your whole website, just copy and paste your website under the assets folder and pass the home page of your website, then complete website will run inside Android. So like this way you can make the app for your own source code also. If your website is running already and running good on and hosted outside, so you can put the URL here also of the website. So both way you can do. convert your website into app by using these code. See you in next video. Bye.